Today I'm going to show you how Microsoft 365 Copilot gives you access to the best of both worlds with Anthropic's Claude and OpenAI's ChatGPT. What we're going to do is we're basically going to select Researcher on the left-hand side here. And notice that when Researcher comes up, you'll see this auto GPT responses refined by Claude, which is a frontier feature. And that is actually shown to you when you select this drop down here. It says the same thing in auto. And then there's also something called the Model Council, GPT and Claude Deep Reasoning. Let's look at a couple of slides to understand this a little bit better. In this auto mode, it's also known as critique in Researcher. Responses are generated by GPT and Claude. They work together with GPT drafting the initial response and then Claude reviewing for accuracy, completeness, and citation integrity before it's delivered. So essentially, OpenAI creates the summary and then Anthropic reviews it for completeness and accuracy. So they work in collaboration with each other. Now, on the other hand, the Model Council simultaneously runs a prompt across multiple AI models within Researcher. And this summarizes where the models agree, where they disagree, and what each uniquely adds, making it easier to validate answers and spot the gap. Switching back to Researcher, in auto mode, let's type in a prompt. Tell me about Home Depot and Lowe's and how they compare and they differ. First, it comes back and it asks you for some clarifying questions and how long you want your report to be. And so in this case, I just said, go ahead and make it a short report. And next, when the report's actually completed, you'll see that it says generated by GPT, but refined by Claude. And in this case, here's Home Depot versus Lowe's, and here's the executive comparison, as well as category-specific strengths and so on. So a very good report, and it's critiqued by Claude, but written by ChatGPT. Now, if we go back to Researcher, and this time we select the Model Council, and we put the same prompt in, and we send it off, let's see what happens this time. So in this case, when it's done, you'll see that on the left-hand side, you have the GPT report, and the right-hand side, you have the Claude report. You can select these arrows and then actually get to the full report. So here's the GPT one, and you see the full report in all its glory. It's super detailed. And then you can also switch to the Anthropic one and see its report in full detail as well. So tons of information. We're not going to go through this all, but what's unique about this Model Council is that it actually puts these side by side. So the first section says, having done extensive research, both Claude and GPT underscored that these are the things that they both agree with. And then as you scroll down, it says what each model brought to the table. So Claude brought these unique things to the table, and then GPT brought these historical contexts. And then as you scroll down, it says, where did the reports differ? And so the top areas of agreement between GPT and Claude were these. And then as you scroll down, the top areas of disagreement were these sections. So what do they agree on? What do they disagree on? Now, one last thing. If for some reason you don't see these frontier features, talk to your IT admin or share this clip with them. So as an IT admin, you have to go to your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And you'll see this menu item called Copilot, and then there's this settings menu. So when we select settings, you have to go to this section called View All. And when we select that, the first thing you got to do is scroll down to Copilot Frontier. And when you select that, you decide if you don't give access to anyone, if you give access to everyone, or if you're just giving access to specific users. Next, there's a section here that says AI providers operating as Microsoft subprocessors, which is Anthropic. So when you select that, you decide if Anthropic is either enabled for all, no, or specific users. And this is on by default for some tenants, and specifically in Europe, you have to go and actually enable this because it's off by default. So that's another place you got to go to. And if you're curious what a subprocessor means, we actually have a documentation that talks about Anthropic as a subprocessor. And if you scroll down a little bit, it talks about that Anthropic will operate with Microsoft oversight through contractual safeguards and appropriate technical measures, and that such use is covered by our enterprise data protection, which is key because if you go back to our M365 app and you go to new chat and you select cloud, you'll see that we still have this green shield on, which means that you have Microsoft's best security measures that are our enterprise data protection. And similarly, if you go to researcher and you select the model council, you'll still see that we have the green shield for that as well as for auto. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll catch you on the next one.